Of tonight, third alumni homecoming. So meron po tayong certificate of participation. So 6 lang po ito. Pasensya na po dun sa mga hindi natin nakasama dun sa inyong donation. So ang ating pong nakakuha ng Certificate of Participation is awarded. Hayaan niyo po muna basahin ni Kuya Ariel ang content ng ating certificate.
This certificate of participation is further presented to for actively participating in the search for King and Queen of the Night during the 3rd Grand Alumni Homecoming with the theme Pagbabalik sa Pinagmulan. This recognition is given in appreciation of your enthusiasm, confidence, and active involvement in making the program successful and meaningful. Your participation contributed to the excitement, elegance, and success of the celebration. Given this 21st day of May 2026 at Iugmania Elementary School, Pro 1, Barangay Santa Cruz, Nabok, Camarines Norte. Signed by J.C. Villapuerte, Alumni President, Annalyn Bilan, SPTA President, and Sir Christian M. Espiritu, School Principal 3.
This certificate of participation is proudly presented to Batch 2005, Eileen Subia. Certificate of participation is awarded to Batch 2000, Melanie Antonio.
Please come forward as we call your name and congratulations.
Another certificate of participation is awarded to Batch 1991, Mamaribig Data. Sir Christian, Ma'am Annalyn, Sir Jay.
Congratulations naman dyan.
Ma'am Annalyn and Sir Jay, please come to the stage for the awarding of Certificate of Participation.
Congratulations, Eileen Subia.
Mamaribig Data. Melanie Antonio of Batch 2000. Melanie. Same content of Certificate of Participation is awarded to Batch 1983, Ma'am Emma William Flores.
Kala ko si Pres yung nanalo.
Si Ma'am Emma po ng Batch 1983. Of participation is awarded to Batch 1998, Ma'am Evelyn Suba.
Congratulations from Batch 1998, Evelyn Suba.
87, Mamaribig Uning.
Uy, dandahan! Uy! Nakaka-excite naman sino bang ating kokoronahan sa taong ito. Sa 2026, tingnan natin kung makakaroon ng Grand Slam ng 3-peat. At ngayon, syempre, eto po si Mamaribig Oning. Congratulations po for being the second placer in our search for Miss Alumni 2026. Miss Grand Alumni. At syempre, excited naman lahat para sa ating coronation. At syempre, Ngayon, tinatawagan naman po natin ang nagwagi bilang the newly
Queen of the night.
Queen of the Night. Siya po ay walang iba kundi si from batch
82.
at siya si
Mirna
Bayani.
Nasa kanya pa rin ang corona. So, inahayaan po natin ang ating
The unbeatable,
live.
undefeated, batch 1982 pagdating sa ating Queen of the Night, Miss Alumni 2026, to be crowned and to be awarded by Miss Alumni 2025.
Napakasipag dito kasi kanina.
Mrs. Nancy Ubana Nahera. Palakpakan naman dyan. Tinatawagan po ang ating queen, si Ate Nancy Nahera, para koronahan po ang bagong reyna ng Alumni Homecoming. Siyempre, walang iba kundi si Ate Mirna Bayani. Palakpakan naman po tayo dyan.
Siya po nakakuha ng pinakamataas sa kanyang kasipagan. Nakakuha po siya ng 3,773 pesos. Siyempre, lalagyan na siya, ibabalik na naman. Pasa-pasa lang ano. So, okay na din ba yung ating attendance?
Okay na po yung ano ng parapol nyo, mayroon na po kayong nakagawa po or ano na po ang pagbabayad?
Ito naman po ang ating last year
Ay, bakit po nangingin
Queen of the Night,
Ate Marie
si
na po
Ma'am
attendance
Nahera.
kanina umaga. May mga bata po yun ay. Ano na po ang...
Para ipasa sa kanyang classmate
Kasi
ang
baka
Corona,
matuloy naman, kahit hindi
Sentro
naman niya
at Kappa.
Anong gagawin?
Pasaluhin na po natin ang ating dating Queen of the Night, Ma'am Nancy Nahera.
Pasalubungan po natin ng malakas sa palakpakan ang ating Alumni Queen 2025 sa kanyang farewell walk. Pwede po ba may music tayo dyan para sa ating reigning queen? Ayan, okay na pala. Tan, tan, na. Ayun nagpapasalamat po siya sa lahat ng support ng batch 1982. Grabe po ang support ng batch 1982. Solid po talaga sila pagdating dito. The unbeatable batch 1982. Muli, our reigning queen, Nancy Ubana Nahera, will be passing her crown and cape to Miss Mirna Bayani. Palakpakan naman po